Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make two beautiful glassware decor pieces using dollar store materials. The first piece will be a glass marble mirror that you can display on your bookshelf, buffet table, or on the wall. The second piece will be a Glam decorative pedestal bowl. Both pieces look so exquisite, but no one would guess that it only cost a few dollars to make. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All the materials used in this DIY video is from Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. For our first decor piece, we will need a white or silver charger plate. We will also need a small to medium-sized round mirror. Dollar Tree sells round mirror frames in 9.625 inches. However, since I ran out and haven't been able to find them at my local Dollar Tree, I will be using an alternative mirror that was part of a 3-pack from another dollar store, which cost only $3.50. We will also need a backing of a small picture frame. Either 4x6 or 3x5 will do. We will also need a few bags of clear glass marbles. Dollar Tree sells them in an assortment of sizes and colors, so you can choose whatever you prefer. I will be using 2 bags of medium-sized flat marbles as well as the smaller round marbles. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace, some fix-all glue, and our handy-dandy hot glue gun. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. Now to begin, turn the charger plate upside down. Then take the mirror frame and disassemble it, as we will only need the backing. You can put the rest of the frame aside for a future project. With the backing, use your hands to gently remove the leg, as we will not be needing that. What we will want to keep intact, however, is the hanging loop towards the top, as this is what we can use if you choose to hang the mirror on the wall. Flip the backing around and apply some fix-all and hot glue to it, and then adhere it to the bottom center of the charger plate. You can place the frame backing so that the hanging loop is closer to the top center of the charger plate. Once the hot glue is dry, check that the backing is secured firmly to the plate. Then turn the plate over so we can start decorating the front face of the plate. We start by adhering the round mirror to the center of the plate with some fix-all and hot glue. Here you can see I have covered the mirror with a white sheet of paper. That is so that we don't get the reflection of the camera while I show you the rest of the process. Next, we use some hot glue to line the outer edge of the mirror with a string of silver beaded necklace. Then it is time to decorate round the mirror by applying the glass marbles to the charger plate. For this step, you will see that I have placed a few marbles into place just to see how they will look and to get a sense of how flat they will lie on the charger plate. Then I use a mixture of fix-all and hot glue to apply each marble and adhere each marble piece to the charger plate. This process will be a bit tedious, so before you start, grab your favorite beverage and turn on some tunes while working on the mirror plate. Once the first row of marbles are placed onto the plate, proceed with a second row of marbles and then a third row of marbles. After the third row of marbles were glued down, I decided to add smaller round marbles in between the medium-sized flat marbles. And there you have it, our mirror plate is complete. Look how stunning it is. Comment down below if you would hang this mirror on the wall or if you would place it on an easel as table decor like I have. For our second glass decor piece, we will need a medium-sized clear plastic bowl. The one I will be using comes in a 2-pack. You can also use a plastic garden planter like this one. We will also need a smaller clear plastic bowl. The one I have here comes in a 12-pack. We will also need some silver glitter, either from Dollar Tree or you can use the larger glitter sprinkles available from Hobby Lobby. And finally, we will also need some Mod Podge. Around the outer area of the plastic bowl, we will be using some hot glue to adhere the flat round glass marbles. When applying the hot glue, the best way to ensure the glue goes on invisible is to apply a dollop of the glue to the center of the flat marble and then gently press the marble down against the clear plastic bowl. Repeat these steps until the entire outer part of the plastic bowl is covered by the glass marble. Then take the small plastic bowl and apply some Mod Podge to the outer area. Then sprinkle the silver glitter evenly onto the Mod Podge. Once the first coat of glitter is applied, wait about 15 minutes to dry before applying the second coat of glitter. Once the second coat of Mod Podge and glitter has been applied and dried, then go in with a final coat of Mod Podge to set all the glitter in place. The Mod Podge will dry clear, allowing the silver glitter to really shine. The last step for this piece is to apply some hot glue to the bottom of the small plastic bowl and then adhere it to the larger bowl that has the glass marbles applied. And that's it, our second decor piece is finished. This bowl looks exquisite and can be used as a candy dish and can be placed on a fireplace mantle or side table. And here you can see I made another glass marble bowl using similar marble pieces and a plastic garden planter. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.